Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to build a WhatsApp chatbot for your eco-friendly store business. Suppose you run an eco-friendly store and want to notify your customers about sustainable product arrivals to drive in a store visit. So we can automate this process with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, let me take you to the screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your eco-friendly store business. First of all, let me show you the chatbot that we will create with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So this is our chatbot and we will also see how it responds. First of all, go back to our WhatsApp dashboard and simply type I want eco-friendly sustainable products. After typing, you'll see I am getting response. Welcome to Green Habits Store, your go-to shop for sustainable and eco-friendly product. What would you like to do today? Now we have an today's eco deal button. Simply click on it. After clicking, you'll see we are getting another response. Today's green picks: bamboo toothbrush, jute bag, cotton towel, candles. Now we have an order now button. Simply click on order now button. After clicking, we get another response. Great choice. May I know your name? Now I'm typing my name. Test user. After typing my name, I am getting another response. Thanks test user. What items would you like to order? Now I am typing. Now I want bamboo toothbrush. After typing bamboo toothbrush, we have another message. Would you prefer pickup or home delivery? Now we have two buttons, pickup and delivery. Now I am simply click on pickup. After clicking pickup, I am getting another message. When would you like to pick it up? Now I am entering time, 10 a.m. After typing time, I am getting another response. Here's your order summary. Name test user, item order, time 10 a.m. Reply confirm to place your order, reply cancel to restart. Now simply I am click on confirm. After clicking confirm, thank you test user, your eco-friendly order is confirmed. You are making the planet proud. So you'll see we are getting responses. Now go back to our Chatflow section. We can also check all the responses in our inbox section, which we have received on WhatsApp. Now if you also want to create this similar chatbot, then follow along on my screen. First of all, we will open our browser and type www.pabbly.com. Now we have an interface like this. If you have already logged in before, then we will sign in, otherwise we will sign up. Since I have already logged in, so I will sign in. After sign in, we will see 7 products. We have to click on Pabbly Chatflow Access Now button. After that, we will see an interface like this. Now you can create your business account. If you want to know how to create a business account in Pabbly Chatflow with the help of Metaphor developers, you can easily do so by watching the video provided in the link description. If you want to know how to add WhatsApp number, just click on add WhatsApp number. Now we have two options, WhatsApp Connect Beta, Manual Token Connect. With the help of WhatsApp Connect Beta, we can automatically update our access token. Now Manual Token Connect. In this we fill the details like meta access token, phone number ID, WhatsApp business account ID, and select the folder. Simply click next. After clicking next, you have successfully added your WhatsApp number like this, and simply click on accessing button. Now you see the navigation on the left side. In this we have inbox, contacts, team queue, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, settings, get help. I already explained inbox section. In this section, we check the WhatsApp responses. Now we have contacts. In this field, we add contact and create contact list like this. Now we have team queue option. Team queue is used to show the list of chart assigned to the team member. Now we have template section. In this section, we create our templates. Just click on add new template and fill the details over here and simply click on submit. Now we have broadcast section. In this section, we add broadcast to share information with the large audience. Now we have flows section. With the help of flows, we are creating our WhatsApp chatbot. Now we have AI assistant, settings, get help. If you want to learn about all features, video link provided in the description. Now we create our chat flow. Simply click on add flow button. Now we have an interface like this. First of all, we rename our chatbot, that is WhatsApp chatbot for your eco-friendly store business. Now we have two options, message and action. With the help of both of them, we are going to create our chatbot. Now we enter regex. For regex, we use the format. These format help us to trigger the chatbot and simply turn on the toggle button. Now we take text button and simply write message on it. Welcome to Green Habits Store, your go-to shop for sustainable and eco-friendly product. What would you like to do today? Now we also
also add button today's eco deals. These buttons help us to proceed to the next step. Now we connect the flow. Now we take another text button. In this we write a message related to product and also add order now button. Simply connect this button to this message box. Now we take question box. In this box we ask a name from user and select the contact custom field, full name, and also select the format, that is text format. Now simply connect this order now button to this question box. If you want to know how you can create this contact custom field, simply click on settings and click on contact custom field. I have already added some contact custom field like full name, address, email, contact number, quantity, order, date, time. Now if you also want to add contact custom field, simply click on add more field and simply type field name. I am typing XYZ and click on save button. Now you will see we are successfully create our contact custom field. Now we have an option field description. Also enter a description which helps you to identify the purpose. Now go back to our flow. Now we take another question box. In this box, we ask a product details from user. What item would you like to order? Now simply click on contact custom field, order. Also select the format, that is text format, and simply connect this question box to this box and save the flow. Now we take question box and write some message on it. Would you prefer pickup or home delivery? Now we also add pickup and home delivery button. Delivery. Now we simply connect this question box to this message box. Now we take question box. In this box we ask a pickup time from user and now simply select contact custom field, time, also select the format, text format, and connect this pickup button to this question box. Now we take another question box. In this we ask address from user, delivery details, address, and simply connect this delivery button to this question box. Now we take text button and simply write a message. Here's your order summary. Name, item, time, reply, confirm to place your order, reply cancel to restart. Now we add our confirm and cancel button. Now simply connect this question box to this message box. Now we take another text button and write some message on it. If user press confirm button, then we will send our message. Thank you, full name. Your eco-friendly order is confirmed. You are making the planet proud. Now simply we connect confirm button to this message box. If user press cancel button, then we will restart our chatbot and simply save the flow. So you will see we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now it's time to test it. Simply go to our WhatsApp dashboard and simply type eco-friendly. After typing eco-friendly, you will see I'm getting response. So you will see we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.
Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any question, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related issue, you can visit our website which is given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow and start building your own WhatsApp chatbot for free. Thank you.